Hey, IsleyoKid918 here, and this is my LEGO Lord of the Rings custom Nazgul. First up, that's the head. Here's the bottom of the head. Claw goes up here. There would be a Witch King sitting right there, but I lost the hood to it, so I can't make him. I'll try to find this hood sometime. Wing. Other wing. Down here are his feet. Hope you enjoyed my LEGO custom Nazgul. Please subscribe and bye.